Hi, I'm Julia Hoagland with COMPASS. Welcome to 2C at 330 Spring Street, a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 1,800 square foot condominium loft. Please join me. The interiors of the space were designed by Annabelle Seldorf and include herringbone floors throughout this 55-foot great room, starting with the living room and right off of the chef's kitchen. There are high-end appliances from Sub-Zero, Miele, Viking, and Cooper Bush, and also stainless steel and black granite countertops. The dining area is the crown jewel of the entertaining space, with seating for up to 12 people, 10-foot high ceilings, and floor-to-ceiling windows. One of the assets of this apartment is the flexible floor plan, which, in addition to using this space as a bedroom, can be converted into an extension of the entertaining space. The master suite accommodates a king-size bed and plenty of furnishings, has a fitted walk-in closet, and a 5-fixture ensuite master bath with deep soaking tub. When you're investing in any asset, it's good to look for rarity. And what's rare about this apartment is that it's the only C-line of its type in the building, with this flexible 3rd bedroom / media room / office and this amazing private terrace. The urban glass house was designed by Philip Johnson, the very first Pritzker Prize winning architect. There is no way you won't be your fittest self in this apartment, with a gym right across the hall and the urban oasis of Hudson River Park just a block away. We are at the epicenter of 3 coveted neighborhoods: Soho, Tribeca, and the West Village. I hope you enjoyed the tour. I'm Julia Hoagland, and I look forward to welcoming you to this chic downtown loft.